If you're looking for a fun game to play this summer, run to your local Dollar Tree. You're going to be looking for these buckets. They are basically large solo cups, but they have a wide opening. And these come in several different colors. They have them in blue. I did find a bright red. I also found a navy blue as well. And then they also come in a really pretty sage green color, but I've also seen white and other colors as well. And then you need to grab 12 of them so that you can play this game. And you will need to also grab this pack of balls. That's a 4-pack. So in all, you're going to spend about $16 on supplies. And then when you get home, you're just going to rearrange them like this in your yard, 6 on each side. And you can just play yard pong or large beer pong with your family. Now, we did not add anything into these cups because they sat just fine in our lawn. But if you wanted to make them more stable, you can add a little bit of water into the bottom of them or a little bit of sand, so that way that they'll stay a little more stable. This is a really fun game. It was a huge hit last year. My original video went viral, and we always play this and bust it out for barbecues and summer parties. So make sure you run and grab these buckets before they're all gone.